Hello, so in this video we are going to see how I can deploy my application to dev environment after testing it out locally with Tilt. Now I would like to deploy my application to dev environment. So let's go to the repository and let's make some changes. Let's say I want to add few more config values to my application. So let me update config map for it. So let's say I want to add demo and let's say dummy value. And now I would like to push these changes. For that, I'll say it. And yep, now the changes are pushed. Now I need to open up a PR to towards main. So let me make a PR. Okay, so now the PR is created and the changes is I have added demo value in our config map. So now it should trigger a pipeline. Let's go and check in cluster. So if I come over here and check pipelines, and now this PR pipeline gets created and it's running. So let me pause the video until it's running. After that I will resume. So yeah, now the pipeline is completed. Let's validate our changes into dynamic environment. So as we can see, the new PR3 project has been created. So let's just go in this project, and because we have changed the config map values, let's just validate that into this dynamic environment. So as you can see, we have like a review config map over here. We can just go here and check. So yeah, here you can see we have the new value that we have added into our dynamic environment. Now let's just go over here and merge this PR. Okay, let's merge. After merging this PR, this should trigger another pipeline. Let's go and check that one. Yeah, now the main pipeline is triggered. Now let's wait for this one to get finished. So yeah, now our main pipeline is completed. Let's validate those changes. First, let's check the changes in app GitOps repository. So if we go over here and I will do git pull. So let's see what has changed in dev environment files. So as you can see over here, the image tag is changed to 10.2, and chart version is also changed to 10.2. And now let's validate those changes into our cluster. So if I go to pod, and no, let's go to config maps and see the config map values in dev environment. So okay, so the chart has been bumped and updated into app GitOps repository over here. But now let's validate if Argo CD has pulled those changes into the cluster. So if you can, so automatically it takes up to 3 to 5 minutes to Argo CD to sync. But let's see. Okay, so let's just refresh and push Argo CD to pull those changes into the cluster. So now as you can see, it's started syncing. It detects those changes and now it's syncing.